the poem हमारा भारतवर्ष now. So how this Himalayas, that is about India's natural beauty you have learnt, and how this Himalayas at the northern areas of India is protecting our country from outsiders. That means from our neighboring countries. So they are not able to enter our country because this Himalayas are covering there in the northern areas, so that they are not able to come inside. Okay. And they have explained about the Ganga, that is the sacred river Ganga also, isn't it? So what we have to do, we have to give importance, we have to love the nature, right? And what is happening, there are mountain ranges as well as there are waterfalls also, and these waterfalls, that sound, we all enjoy so much, isn't it? It's all about the nature. Now let us continue with that. And this was written by the poet Chandrakala Shastri, who is called as Chandra, okay? Chandrakala Shastri. Now let us see the next stanza. ठंडी मीठी हवा जो डोले, ठंडी मीठी हवा जो डोले, वन में काली कोयल बोले, वन में काली कोयल बोले, पुष्प गंध से हवा भी महके, पुष्प गंध से हवा भी महके, बहती मीठी सुगंध धारा, बहती मीठी सुगंध धारा, ठंडी मीठी हवा जो डोले, वन में काली कोयल बोले, पुष्प गंध से हवा भी महके, बहती मीठी सुगंध धारा. Means ठंडी मीठी हवा जो डोले, ठंडी मीठी, it's so cool there, especially the Himalayan area, you can understand. Snowfall always, isn't it? So how it is? It is thandi meeti. Means we'll enjoy that coolness of the Himalayan range. Okay. Thandi meeti. It's so cold, but still we enjoy that. Thandi meeti hawa jo dole. Means you see the breeze or the air what is coming also, it is so cool and we enjoy that coolness. Thandi meeti hawa jo dole. One में काली कोयल बोले. So there are forests, and in the forest you can see the tree, and who is there? That is the cuckoo. Okay, what is that cuckoo doing? It is making that sound, coo coo, isn't it? So that sound. One में काली कोयल बोले. Kali means black. One is forest. One में काली कोयल बोले. So there is a nice sound made by cuckoo. पुष्प गंध से हवा भी महके. So there are in forest means you understand, isn't it? There will be lots of flowers, fruits, everything. But here they have said pushpa gandha means the fragrance of the flowers. Means the smell of the flowers is totally where spread in the forest. Pushpa gandha se hawa bhi महके means it is already entered into the atmosphere, into the air, and we are taking that air with a very good fragrance, very nice smell. Bheti meeti sugandhara. So how it is happening? Like a perfume, we are just enjoying that air which we inhale. Understood this? Thandi meeti hawa jo dole, वन में काली कोयल बोले, पुष्प गंध से हवा भी महके, बहती मीठी सुगंध धारा. यही हुए थे राघव सीता, गूंजी यहीं पर पावन गीता, मुरलीधर से धन्य हुआ यहाँ, यमुना जल और श्याम किनारा. यही हुए थे राघव सीता, गूंजी यहीं पर पावन गीता, मुरलीधर से धन्य हुआ यहाँ, यमुना जल और श्याम किनारा. Means यही हुए थे राघव सीता means even the Lord Rama and Sita also were in this forest. Means they were from India. That's the meaning here. They were also in the same forest. यही हुए थे राघव सीता means Lord Rama and Sita were from our country. Gunji yahi, you know about Ayodhya now recently, now from yesterday again the temple construction also started. You know about that news, you would have seen. So because it is said that Rama was also born in India, Ayodhya especially. यही हुए थे Raghav Sita, गूंजी यहीं पर पावन गीता. So this is a place where the Bhagavad Gita was also written. It's a sacred book of Hindus. Bhagavad Gita, isn't it? गूंजी यहीं पर पावन गीता. Gita means here it is about the Bhagavad Gita. मुरलीधर से धन्य हुआ यहाँ. Even Lord Krishna also has taken birth here. You know about Dwaraka, isn't it? So मुरलीधर से धन्य हुआ यहाँ. Lord Rama is also born here. Even Lord Krishna also has taken birth here in our country. मुरलीधर से धन्य हुआ यहाँ. So we are very happy that these people, that means here who Lord Rama and Lord Krishna also have taken birth in this country, in our motherland. यमुना जल और श्याम किनारा. Yamuna Jal. So again one more river, Yamuna. Even the water goes there, and if just go there in the evening and sit there, how do you feel? You feel so happy at the banks of this river Yamuna. Understood? Yeah. Once again I'll read. यही हुए थे राघव सीता, गूंजी यहीं पर पावन गीता, मुरलीधर से धन्य हुआ यहाँ, यमुना जल और श्याम किनारा. Coming to the next stanza. तन मन धन से भी प्रिय लगता, हमको अपना देश यह न्यारा, मान बढ़ाए हम सब इसका, चमके इसका भाग्य सितारा. तन मन धन से भी प्रिय लगता, हमको अपना देश यह न्यारा, मान बढ़ाए हम सब इसका, चमके इसका भाग्य सितारा. मीन्स तन मन धन से भी प्रिय लगता. So we are happy which way? With physically, morally, everything we are very happy with our motherland, our country, India. Tan, man, dhan. Tan means physical, man means with the mind. Okay? Dhan means money. So all this together is present where? In our motherland. We are happy with all these things. हमको अपना देश यहाँ न्यारा. So we are very happy with our country. हमको अपना देश, our country, our motherland, our India is very great. We are all very happy with our motherland, India. मान बढ़ाए हम सब इसका. So what we have to do? We have to be very grateful to this, and we have to respect our country. We have to respect this country. Means we have to follow this patriotic or patriotism. चमके इसका भाग्य सितारा. So what is said here? So let the stars shine with all comforts and enjoyments. That's the meaning here. With all comforts and enjoyments, we have to be very happy with our motherland. तन मन धन से भी प्रिय लगता, हमको अपना देश यह न्यारा, मान बढ़ाए हम सब इसका, चमके इसका भाग्य सितारा. So once again I'll read. ठंडी मीठी हवा जो डोले, वन में काली कोयल बोले, पुष्प गंध से हवा भी महके, बहती मीठी सुगंध धारा. यहीं हुए थे राघव सीता, गूंजी यहीं पर पावन गीता, मुरलीधर से धन्य हुआ यहाँ, यमुना जल और श्याम किनारा. तन मन धन से भी प्रिय लगता, हमको अपना देश यह न्यारा, मान बढ़ाए हम सब इसका, चमके इसका भाग्य सितारा. So how nicely the poet Chandrakala Shastri has written this, and we should also follow the same thing. We have to love our country. Okay? So it is our duty to take care of our country and all the fellow men. Did you understand, children? So let me stop it here. We'll continue in the next class.